In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up passkeys to log into Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to enhance your security, setting up passkeys is a straightforward and secure way to protect your account. Let's dive right into the process. First, what you need to do is head over to the Hubspot homepage. You can easily find this by typing hubspot.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you arrive at the homepage, your next move is to locate and click on the Login button. This button is usually situated at the top right corner of the page, so keep a keen eye out for it. After clicking the Login button, you'll be directed to the Login page. Here, enter your existing HubSpot credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you should find yourself on your HubSpot home interface. The homepage is your centralized hub for navigating through HubSpot, and it's where we'll continue setting up our passkeys. Now that you're logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the HubSpot interface and click on your profile picture or icon. This action will display a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to select the profile option. By clicking on profile, you're essentially stepping into a section of HubSpot focused on personal settings and preferences. From the profile page, the next step is to click on Creators Media. Don't worry if you don't see this exact label, as HubSpot periodically updates its interface. Simply look for any related terms if Creators Media is not visible. After completing this step, the next click is on Profile and Preferences. This location is rich with customization options, helping you tailor your HubSpot experience to your needs. Following that, you'll shift your attention to the Security tab. This particular tab is crucial, as it's the gateway to setting up additional security measures for your account. Once you click on Security, you're well on your way to reinforcing your account's defenses. Finally, the moment we've been setting up the passkeys. In the security section, you'll find an option labeled Set up Passkeys. Click on that and you're on the final stretch. Follow the prompts provided by HubSpot to complete the process of setting up the passkeys. This might involve a few verification steps to ensure it's you making these changes, and once done, your passkeys will be set up, adding an extra layer of security to your HubSpot account. And there you have it. With these steps complete, you've successfully set up passkeys for your HubSpot account. Passkeys offer a modern, secure way to manage your login process and ensures your data stays protected. Remember, securing your digital identity is essential, and using passkeys is a great step toward achieving that. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful.